Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about marine pharmacognosy. So first let us see what do we mean by marine pharmacognosy. So the definition of marine pharmacognosy. Marine pharmacognosy is a sub-branch of pharmacognosy which is mainly concerned with naturally occurring substances of medicinal value from marine sources such as bacteria, fungi, virus, algae, sponges, etc. So marine pharmacognosy mainly deals with the medicinal agents that are obtained from the marine sources. So let us have a look at the classification of marine drugs. So first of all, the cytotoxic agents. Examples are membranes, macrolides and dipeptides. Then cardiovascular agents, the examples are cardiotonics, which can be peptides and glycosides. Then hypotensives, which can be nucleosides and the peptides. Then we have the marine toxins. For example, palytoxin, red tide toxin and the ciguatera. Then we have the antimicrobial drugs, antibiotic substances, anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic agents, anthelmintic and antiparasitic agents, anticoagulants, prostaglandins, and the antiviral substances. So first let us have a look at few of the examples of the cytotoxic agents. So cytotoxic agents, first category is of membranes. So in membranes we have the example of sinularin that is obtained from Sanularin flexibilis, which is a soft coral. Then cytarabine, which is isolated from a sponge known as Cryptotheca crypta, and it is also synthesized. It is a very well-known cytotoxic agent. Then we have the example of Helicondrin B, which is also isolated from a sponge known as Helicondria ocadi. So next we have the cardiovascular agents of marine origin. So it is divided into two main categories, the cardiotonics and the hypotensive compounds. In cardiotonics we have the marine peptides and the marine glycosides. Marine peptides, the examples of drugs are laminin, which is obtained from Laminaria angustata, which is a brown algae. Another example is octopamine. Octopamine is obtained from an octopus known as Octopus vulgaris. Marine glycosides, the examples are holothurian, obtained from sea cucumber, and astrosaponins, that is obtained from starfishes. Then hypotensive compounds, first of all, we have the marine nucleosides. Marine nucleosides, the example is spongosine, which is obtained from a sponge known as Cryptotheca crypta. Then we have the hypotensive peptides. The examples are aptamine, which is obtained from a sponge known as Aptos aptos. Then we have another example known as urotensins 1 and 2, which is secreted at the back of the spinal cord of the Gilithis mirabilis, which is a goby fish. So next, the marine toxins, the toxic products that are obtained from the marine sources. The first is your palytoxin, which is obtained from the coral of the genus known as Polythua. Then red tide toxin. This red tide toxin is known so due to the presence of the red colored carotenoid compound known as peridinin. The example for red tide toxin is brevitoxin, which is obtained from Carenia brevis, which is a dinoflagellate, and it acts as a neurotoxin. Then we have another example of ciguatera toxin. Again, two examples are here under this category known as ciguatoxin, which is obtained from Gymnothorax javanicus, and mitotoxin, which is obtained from Game will discuss toxicus. So that's all with marine pharmacognosy.